As the financial capital of India and the largest state of Maharashtra, Mumbai has always been the center of attraction. Now, as the COVID-19 cases surge rapidly, Mumbai again has left everyone behind in becoming the city with most number of infections. As the situation in Mumbai worsens, shocking visuals have emerged from two top government hospitals, including one from a ward in Lokmanya Tilak General Hospital, popularly known as Sion Hospital. The footages show bodies in bags seen lying in the same ward as patients being attended to by family members. The next day, another video of KIM Hospital was released which showed the pathetic conditions in which the COVID patients are kept. These videos, apart from triggering an outrage on the social media, have deep impacted the public too. As the horror stories of government hospital continues, the patients prefer dying at home rather than getting admitted in these medical institutions. Sophia's father, who was admitted in KIM, ran away from the hospital amidst treatment. Next day, he was found dead in his home.
उनको ना डायबिटीज़ हाई हो गई थी और थोड़ी ना सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम थी, तो हम लोग हॉस्पिटल लेके गए कैंप में। तो ले गए तो उधर पे ना उनको ऐसे ही रख दिए ज़मीन पे ही, और जैसे हम लोग गए ना वैसे ही दो दो तीन तीन चार चार डेड बॉडी हुई रखी हुई थी। तो वही देख देख के एकदम से घबरा गए, रात को ही घबरा गए। वो बोले कि मेरे को ले चलो यहाँ से, मेरे को नहीं रहना है। तो जैसे जैसे सुबह उठती वैसे वैसे ज़्यादा ही डेड बॉडी होती ही जा रही थी, मैयत होती ही जा रही थी। तो हम लोग फिर बोले अच्छा ठीक है, तुमको ले चले गए। डॉक्टर भी नहीं आके पूछ रहा था, हम लोग जाके पूछ रहे थे कि क्या करना है, कौन सी दवा देने का है। उनका हाथ का जो सुई लगाए थे वो भी निकल गई थी, तो वो जाके 4-5 बार बोले थे जाके लगाए वापस।
The city sees a rise of at least 400 cases per day at an average. Mumbai's healthcare system is on the brink of collapse as both private and public hospitals are swamped with patients and are now running out of beds and staff. A number of COVID patients can be seen waiting in the hospital premises for hours and hours as there are no beds in the hospitals to accommodate them. This person on the screen is also a corona-infected patient, but he has been denied admission by the city hospitals due to lack of beds.
Night, my mother-in-law detected as a positive, so we have visited Sion Hospital, but Sion Hospital is like very bad in condition. We have seen a dead bodies coming outside from the gate, so we just ran away and we just went to the Reliance Hospital, Charni Road wala. So Charni Reliance people told us that this is not a COVID hospital. Please go to the this is non-COVID hospital. Go to the COVID hospital. Then we tried 7 Hills. We have even also dialed a number of BMC wala is 1916, the toll-free number, and we are chasing them till 11 o'clock to get a single bed for a mother-in-law, but they can't make it. She was with us from since 9 in the night until 1:30. We have admitted in KG Somaya Hospital. KG Somaya charging 17,000, but we have to admit her because we don't have any option. The second day in the morning, today morning, there's one more patient arrive in our family is a positive. So we are again chasing BMC team कि please give us some kind of solution, at least quarantine us, give us a hospital for this positive patient at least. Suspect will be taken care, after that it's okay. But still we are not receive any reward from them. I'm chasing them. I'm call up BMC number, board line number, app ward. The various people are there. They are just writing the details and everything, but they're not doing anything.
Apart from the hospital apathy and the failing infrastructure, there are also complaints of hospitals overcharging the patients. Hemant Rajbar got his father admitted in SRV Hospital, Chembur. After 3 days of admission, his father died due to COVID-related complexities. Hemant alleges that not only the hospital overcharged him with a bill of 3 lakhs, but also refused to release the body till the bill was paid.
के लिए हम लोग ने डैडी को वहाँ से दूसरे दिन निकाले और एसआरबी में एक बीएमसी का साहब भी हमारा पाटिल, उससे बात करके उन्होंने वहाँ पे बेड का जगह दिलाया। तो हमने वहाँ पे पापा को एडमिट किए। तो जब हम लोग वहाँ पे गए तो उन्होंने एडमिट किया। एडमिट करने के बाद उन्होंने ये बोला कि हमारे यहाँ पे वेंटिलेटर और आईसीयू का बेड खाली नहीं है, फिर भी हम कोशिश करेंगे। अभी नॉर्मल तुम्हारे पापा को हम लोग एडमिट लेके ऑक्सीजन दे रहे। उन्होंने उस दिन 75,000 हमारा डिपॉजिट जमा किया। डिपॉजिट जमा कराने के बाद फिर ट्रीटमेंट उनका चालू हो गया। हमारे पास अभी फ़िलहाल पेमेंट जब पैसा था नहीं, तो पैसे की वजह से हमारा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था, तो वो लोग पूरा 74,000 भरो और फिर बॉडी लेके जाओ।
टोटल आपका बिल कितना हुआ?
3 लाख को 1,000 रुपया कम।
While KEM Hospital refused to comment, SRV Hospital came forward and refuted the claims.
No, Ajay, nothing like that. Yeah, there is a procedure. Once the COVID positive patient is expired, we need to inform the BMC authorities and everyone. The packing and everything is different. So, with the regular patient compared to this patient, it takes a lot of time for the packing and everything. Secondly, we have cleared the bill. We have told them, we have given the discount and everything of 74,000 to them. And after that also, they have called the media and all other people, some Manasi people who were doing a lot of ruckus over here. So it is like disrupting the things. I think, I don't know. I mean, we were doing the video calling every day. They were like, कि नहीं आप करिए, आप जो भी हो सकता है बचाइए उनको. But once this has happened, this is not even in our hand. We are also feeling the brunt of it. We are also feeling very bad that we see our patients dying like this.
Sir, secondly, actually when I was there near the hospital, there were a few people outside. I mean, of course, one patient who was COVID positive and he was waiting there since morning.
That COVID positive patient is a asymptomatic patient. Okay. Our beds were full, completely full. There were 3 patients in the triage with a saturation of 52, 57 who required the ICU. So this patient, when he died, we told them that, okay, we can, because we were trying ICU bed in other hospital for that patient. Okay, but then he was getting collapsed, so we have to adjust him. And this patient is asymptomatic. We told him that you need to go to the COVID care facility of BMC. Because BMC has clearly told us no asymptomatic patient to be admitted in the hospital. Because the critical patient needs the bed. So he is like reluctant. He wants, no, मैं पैसा भरूंगा, मुझे इधर ही admit करो. We said it's not about the money or anything. You need to follow whatever the rules and regulations are. That's the only thing.
Though the city administration is doing all it can to create new infrastructure and to accommodate more cases, it just seems that they are losing the grip over the battle against coronavirus. Despite all their attempts, the pandemic has shaken them to their roots. A city which is known for its undying spirit is now racing against time to control the pandemic. Mumbai's healthcare system is soon approaching exhaustion. Despite BMC's effort to step up the COVID facilities, it has failed to reach out to the people. More than the virus, it is the horrific conditions in which they are kept is killing them the most. The city has crossed the 15,000 mark, and it is even scarier to think what will the condition be when we hit the peak. With Shiva Devnath, this is Nazia Sayed for Mojo News, Mumbai.